Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Lovoo account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. If you haven't installed Lovoo app on your device, simply install that from App Store, and once it is installed, open the Lovoo app. Once you get into this interface, now again from the bottom of your screen, tap on Get Started. You can sign up into Lovoo with your Google account or your Facebook account or with your Snapchat account, or else you can also log in with your email. Here I'll go with my email. Now here type in your email, and in here create a password which should be longer than 8 characters and must contain at least one number and one letter. Once you're done creating your password, tap on Continue. You will see this interface. Here type in your name, how people will call you later, and then from the bottom of your screen tap on the arrowhead, and then again provide your birthday, and then again tap on the arrow, enter your gender. Now you have to upload at least one photo of yourself, so tap on Add and upload a photo. Once you're done with that, tap on the up arrowhead from the bottom right corner of your screen, and then again tap on the arrowhead from the bottom right corner. It will ask you to keep this as your profile picture. If you want it, tap on Keep Photo, and again you have to provide what are you really looking for in Lovoo app. So tap on any one of those, and then again tap on arrowhead and tap on whom you are interested in, and then again tap Next. Here you can skip this process or else you can continue with profile. I will go with skip, and then you have successfully created a Lovoo account. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.